Hello, friends. Good evening. Hope you all are doing well. Good evening, my friends and dear parents. A warm welcome to another episode of Web Talk Show. So, I'm your host, Purva Kakre. I'm the founder and director of Teachers and Training Networking Community. And I'm a socialite, a skill educator, event organizer, and I also run another community that is Indian Women Networking Community. So the theme to build this community is that we want to work for the empowerment of homemakers, home managers, telecommuters, and professionals. So let me tell you about what is this Web Talk Show. Web Talk Show is a platform where you get a chance to be known, recognized, and admired by your viewers. In this show, we bring you guest speakers from all walks of life where they share their experiences, their stories, their professional advices, and some social activities, and many more. So if you wish to be on this platform to talk about yourself, your profession, your brand, inspiring stories, some social activities, or want to share some knowledge, then do connect with us. We are here to connect with your audience. So let's begin our show. So today, I want to tell you something that whenever you want to start something or you want to begin a business or you want to work from home, what things are required, what is the essential things, how to start, how to just think over it. We are here with our guest speaker, that is Preeti. She is the coach for work from home, and she is the vice president of training TLC, right? So let me connect with Preeti and I'll introduce you all. So, hi Preeti, good evening.
Hello, Purva. Thank you so much for having me on your show today. It's a pleasure to be here. Looking forward to to talking to you and chatting with your audiences today.
Yes. Uh, Thank you. So, Preeti, I just want to introduce you to our audience that Preeti is baker by her profession and she is a coach by passion. So, she has been with ICI Group for 8 years, working with 1,000 plus professionals across 3 countries, successful running a bakery, a business chocolates for last 10 years, and she has more than 5,000 clients, happy clients. She is now vice president of TLC Mumbai Circle. After joining TLC, her dream to become a certified coach has come true. Right, Preeti?
Yes,
So now soon she will be introduced as an author too.
yes. My book is
So well,
almost ready and to be launched very soon. Yes, pretty excited about that.
yes. So welcome Preeti on board. So today we are here to listen to you about what is this actually a home work from home coach, like what do you mean by this work from home?
Yeah, so Purva, what happened during this corona crisis? No, in the beginning, everybody thought that, Babri, this is going to impact our health. Okay, everybody was scared. कि मुझे corona हो गया तो what will happen? And people are worried about their health and their well-being. First, they said it is for senior citizens. Now, everybody, right from kids to everybody, started getting it. So
Exactly,
people got
exactly.
completely, taken aback. A small virus put our entire country on hold. Okay, a country what? The whole.
Exactly. The economy has also affected a lot. The
Correct.
kids, the parents, everyone. It has
Everyone. So
affected
what
a lot.
happened? Yeah, so what has happened is that it no longer remained as a medical challenge. Because of that, what happened is that we started working from home. So people, professionals who were salaried, they were asked to work from home. Some of them lost their jobs. Okay, some of them, a lot of industries completely shut down. So there
Yeah.
were travel industries and entertainment industry, food industry. A lot of these industries lost out economically, like you said. Okay, so a lot of people have seen it as an economical challenge as well, like you rightly pointed out. It is about being very worried about what is going to happen next. How am I going to pay my loans? How am I going to manage the household? Because salaries have been cut, people have lost their jobs, and suddenly everybody in the family is thinking, how are ends going to meet? Okay, and we are all at home. So what else can we do? We have around us so many things within our house that we can work with to generate income. First of all, ourselves. Okay, so we have skills, we have
Exactly.
experiences, and I think as women we are great organizers, great socialites, great teachers. I think name any skill, women have it in them, which is something that we have not appreciated. But now is the time which has become a necessity for us to start something to supplement the income. Also, psychologically, it's a huge relief to be engaged in something or doing something that keeps our mind busy. And we are helping positively to people around us by providing services or by starting something that other people can get benefit from, or being an instrument of this economy and making sure that this economy keeps on working in this space. We can be a small component. So that's where the idea of work from home came. That was the first aspect of it. Before that, I think I have to just tell you a little bit about my story, where I actually, when I was working for ICICI Group for 8 years, I decided to quit my job and just stay at home. I was planning to, I had a child, so at that time, child was my priority, and I said, "Bas ho gaya, abhi bahut ho gaya corporate life." You know how that feels. I'm sure anybody who's in
Exactly.
corporate life will realize that wo ek stage aa jata hai when you start thinking ki we have done enough. Now is the time to focus on your child and enjoy this motherhood. So I took a sabbatical, and like all good moms, what do we like to do? We like to bake for our children. We do toys, we do reading. And that's when I realized that I actually love baking a lot. So I became a home baker at that stage, run my business from home for 2 or 3 years. And then I started a retail unit. So I started my business also from home. So I said, there was a necessity at that point in time because I had time, I had talent, but I didn't know what to do. So
Exactly.
now it's a different necessity, but a requirement for us to start something that will, not only help us at a personal level, but to our family, to our society. So that's the whole idea about work from home, to help you start
So
your business from home.
yeah, so see, when I have seen like to start a business, the ladies
Yeah.
take a step back. They think, "Are kaise hoga? How?" So how can women start a business from home? Like how? What you can tell about it?
Yeah, I think, that is natural, okay? Whether it's a man or a woman, everybody is skeptical. I'm sure
A
people who
little
have
bit of
started.
scareness and like how to build this thing or kitne income mein, how I will invest, how what will be the outcome. So these are the fears which comes to women's like you go for a
Yeah.
woman first. So
I
how
think for
can women start
women,
a business? Yeah.
yeah. So for women, I think the most important thing is to first have a very strong self-belief. Okay, you have to. Let's look at it this way: you get up in the morning, you start managing your kitchen, you're managing your child, you're managing your groceries, you're managing your relatives, you're managing yourself. Your body is going through so many changes. As a woman, I'm not saying that it is any less for a man, but for a women in our society, we are already doing so much. So why are you in self-doubt? I mean, you're already born with that constitution. It is only about you taking that one small step. So what I suggest to people is that if you're not sure, okay, you feel ki pata nahi ye business mein kar sakungi ya nahi kar sakungi, find two people in your circle who are your confidants. Okay, it could be your elder sister, your parent, or your best friend, your school friend, your neighbor, anybody who gives you that positive energy. Okay, go and talk to them and ask them and tell them, मेरे को business चालू करना है. What do you think I can do? Trust me, they'll be the best people who will tell you what you're good at. Because हम जब भी अपने आप को देखते हैं, when we see ourselves, no, we are not able to. We are raised that way to be very critical about ourselves. We always are living in guilt कि we are not doing enough. Okay, we
So
feel
this is
guilty कि हम.
something. This is also which we discovered. We discussed with one of our members. That is self doubt. So this is again us coming to the self doubt only.
Absolutely. There is actually another, I always tell people this, that if you want to do something, you will not know whether you can do it or you can't do it unless you actually start. The biggest step that you can take is the first step. And what is the
Exactly.
worst thing that can happen? Okay, if you think that you are worried about losing money, then don't start something that will mean losing a lot of money. Start something small. I always tell people that when you're starting a business, even if it is from home, start small. Okay, and if you're still not sure, there is another suggestion I'll give you here, that if you're still not sure of starting on your own, go work with somebody for probably 3 or 6 months. Okay, tie up with a networking organization or tie up with someone like Purva who works with such a great community in helping her out. Do things which will be probably you'll not get paid for, but it helps you understand whether you are capable of taking on that responsibility, committing that time, and it is not going to be an easy journey. Okay, there are going to be times where people are going to push you around the corner to say yes to their terms. So put yourself in those situations where you have to deal with difficult people, you have to deal with difficult timelines, you have to deal with asking awkward questions or probably trying to sell to somebody. Not everybody is happy selling. They feel that अरे मैं बेच नहीं पाऊंगी, मेरे को तो कुछ भी बोल प्रीति करने को, मेरे को बेचने नहीं बोला. I can't do sales, I can't do telemarketing, I can't do sales. Well, if you can't do sales, change the word sales to help. I'm here to help people. My product will help people. I'm not selling a product, I'm helping people. So this mindset change might help. Okay, so these are the limiting beliefs that maybe I'm not good. Try it. Go work with a real estate broker or work with somebody who's doing a financial company. Go do calling for them. Take up these small little jobs where you can take on a few extra responsibilities and give yourself that test whether you are ready or not. And I'm telling you, you will get that result in probably 1 week. You don't even need to wait. You will be surprised by your own results. That is my suggestion. And obviously, don't expect huge success. Okay, don't undermine yourself, don't overmine yourself, but be realistic about what's happening. So that's my suggestion for people who want to take the first step.
So they can at least start with something. आगे देखा जाएगा, बोलते ना, कुछ तो पहले एक कदम बढ़ाओ आगे, फिर आप उसके सक्सेस की तरफ जाओगे.
Yeah. So if you want to start something small, sorry, I'm interrupting here. You can join Oriflame, Tupperware, all these MLMs. Okay, there is very minimal investment in that, and there you will get all the training by the company itself. So any kind of network marketing that you do, there you get that training. So you can work there for maybe 6 months or a year, get all that experience. In the meanwhile, work on your idea of what you want to start as a business. Okay, so ये opportunity भी आप ले सकते हो वैसे. Yeah, go ahead.
So yeah, good, you told me. I'll just move to the other question. Which business is possible? This was my question for you. Which business is possible and how can they go about it? So you just told me कि Oriflame or some Tupperware kind. So how they can, like, thoda sa you just guide it about it.
So basically the way it works is that you can just go and Google, or you can even find on Facebook all these networking platforms. Okay, that's the easiest way out, guys. Okay, if you don't want it easy, you want to challenge yourself and do better things, certainly you can. Okay, the sky is the limit. So I suggest that if you have a few other challenges in life, go for network marketing. But beyond that, what you need to look at is your own skills. Okay, are you someone who's very talkative? Are you someone who's great with kids, for example? Are you someone who cooks well? Have you actually done an assessment of what you're good at? We do a SWOT analysis, which is your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities, and your threats. So sit down, do your own SWOT. Give it to your husband and tell him, write this SWOT for me. Go to your child. I think the children are the best. Okay, their observations are completely unbiased, and they will tell you, Mama, you're good at this. Okay, why don't you do this? It might be you're good at getting homework done from kids, or you're good at reading to kids. You're good at writing, or you might be very good at simply hosting parties. If you give an option today to parents and say that 2 hours online, leave your kids with me, I'll entertain them.
Wow, that's amazing.
It's a very simple idea, isn't it? I'm sure 200 parents from your group might be raising their hand. I want to send my child.
Exactly.
So simple ideas like that. There are lots of things. Or you can help in some way in setting up some kind of community service, okay, for moms who are really tired or who are working extra hours, or are frontline workers who are working extra hours. Help them by doing some kind of work where you can help them plan their menus, plan their groceries, arrange for some simple things that can really make their life more easy. Okay. And now for another option that I can talk to you about is that the whole world is online.
Exactly.
But not everybody knows how to go online. Nobody knows how to do Facebook Live or how to log into Zoom or any of that. So become a virtual assistant. Try to work as an assistant with people to help them set up their webinars. Okay, these are again, I'm if you notice, Purva, I'm taking you from the very basic to a medium level
Maybe.
skill. And now
Exactly.
I'm going to the next level where you can become an expert. Maybe you have worked in an industry for over 10, 15 years. You have great experience. Okay. Now you've taken a sabbatical or decided that let me restart my career now. Why don't
Exactly.
you become a coach or a consultant? And as you know, I'm part of TLC. There we exclusively teach you how to become a coach or a consultant, how to write your own book, how to launch your course, how to train other people. So these are some of the options that people can try. Yes, there is a need for planning, there's a need for upskilling. You need to hone your skills if you have lost track or some point you have not really got a chance to utilize them. So all those things are required. But what is passionate, what makes you happy is something that you should come up with as an answer, and then just follow that and start small. That's my suggestion.
So they can like start with initially something, and then they can reach the next level also.
Absolutely.
So,
Yeah.
few days back, I just wrote in the ad also. My friend called me and she was like sitting at home. She's a good cook, like she cooks very well. So she asked me, "Ki, what can I do? Like, where to start?" A little bit of scaredness is in her. Like, I'm scared to start this business because I, I'm like, I'm putting myself on a doubt that I will fail. So, what can we do for them? Like, how you can tell?
See, first of all, you have to accept the fact that fear is a good thing. I don't think anybody who says that they don't get scared, no, even the best of the speakers or the best of the professionals or the best of the business owners, they live with this fear. It's just that how you manage your fear is important. How much you let it affect you and how much you let it show to other people. सो ये फियर होना अच्छी बात है, एक्नॉलेज इट कि हाँ ये होगा ही, वो डर के वजह से ही यू विल बी मोटिवेटेड टू डू बेटर इन लाइफ. Okay, so what I say is that don't let that fear paralyze you. Use it and channelize it positively in such a way that you sit down and you work out how can my plan fail. Okay, so let's take the example of your friend who wants to start something as a cook from home.
Yeah,
Now she might be very good as a cook in terms of the homemade food that is made,
exactly.
right? So what she
Hmm.
should do is then probably come up with a menu which is her own ghar ka khana and advertise it as ghar ka khana. No fancy food. This is my ghar ka khana. I will give you good hygienic tiffins. Promote it among her friends and start small. Okay, and I think the fear of failure or the failure happens when you are not aware of your own capabilities or you overcommit. These are the two reasons
Okay.
why it happens. So do not overcommit. Know your limitations, know your capabilities, and take on as much as you can do. When you can't do, just say no. So if you've already said no, what's the worst that can happen? That customer will rather appreciate that you said no than to put you in a position where you said as in you've not delivered. Okay, and think of what are the things that could fail. When we were working for the bank, we were given a risk and issue log, so we had to write down every possible issue. अभी खाना बनाना है, गैस चला जाएगा, खराब हो जाएगा कुछ, ब्रेक डाउन हो जाएगा, चावल में पानी ज्यादा गिर जाएगा. थिंक ऑफ ऑल दीज पॉसिबिलिटीज एंड वॉट एवर फेलियर्स, उसके अगेंस्ट एक मिटिगेंट बना दो कि गैस चला जाएगा तो मेरे पास स्टैंड बाय में क्या है, माइक्रोवेव में मैं खाना बना सकती हूँ क्या, या मैं फोन करके उनको बोल सकती हूँ कि मैं 1 घंटे बाद दूंगी. और थिंक अबाउट कि माई मेड डजंट कम. Okay, if my maid doesn't come, do I have anybody else whose maid I can borrow to help me with it? तो ये ऐसा आपको एक अलग अलग प्लानिंग अच्छे से करना पड़ेगा. तो ऑब्स्टिकल आएगा ही, ये सोच के चल रहे हैं, देन दैट फियर गोज अवे कि ओके. I always joke about this कि every morning I get up and I think I'm Jethalal from Tarak Mehta's show, because he has a new problem to face, and all of us as women also, I'm sure you'll agree, Purva. As
Exactly, exactly. I'm totally agreeing with you because it some or the kind of problem is everywhere standing in front of us, and we just टेक आउट सॉल्यूशंस, कुछ ना कुछ तरीका, जुगाड़ बोलो या कुछ बोलो, हम तो सोल्यूशन निकाल ही लेते हैं. So this is like, you shouldn't run after like कि अरे हाँ it will fail and I can't do this. You should just try और उसके सारे solutions निकाल लो. I totally agree with you. So
Yes.
another which thing I just came to, I was reading your introduction. I just came with this is, what does this mean? Home income blueprint course. So
Okay, so
you are starting with this course or you are taking right now. So
so
just
I've
brief us with this.
already, yeah.
Yeah.
Home Income Blueprint is a course where I teach people how to start their business from home, how to kickstart their business from home, and how to run it. I've already done a couple of batches for that.
Okay.
So basically, in this course, what I help is if individual is not clear what business they should do. So first, I actually get them clarity on what business is best suited for them. Then we do extensive research to help them to understand how they can kickstart their business. You know, starting from getting your first 2 customers to say 10 customers to 100 customers, what should be your plan? Helping you do your social media marketing, your operations planning, your financial planning, whatever is required for that business in terms of as a coach or a mentor. I work with them, with a hands-on approach and help them kickstart their business. As an add-on to that, I'm also going to be launching another course, which is tools for small business owners. If you notice, small businesses are the ones which get most affected. Any kind of change
Exactly.
economically, sociologically, or anything, we are the people who get most hit. So how are we
So,
going to, work with that kind of an environment? What do we need to do is what I'm going to cover in that course, which is going to start shortly.
okay. So, can you just share your number so people can just, our viewers can note down your number and they can reach out for this home income blueprint course and the other course which you are soon launching. So this will
Sure,
help our viewers to just connect with you.
I've added it in the chat box. And I'm also adding my Facebook page. So in case people want to connect with me, they can do that on my page as well.
So you can share the number, and that would be great if you can share so easily
Yeah,
the members can reach out to you.
sure. I've done that already. Is that gone on private chat by any chance?
No, ma'am, you just repeat it over here. That will be great.
Okay, my number is 98205 09626 and my page is Coach Preeti on Facebook.
So soon
And
we
as
will
a
be coming with Preeti ma'am for yet another episode where we will be discussing few courses or few sessions where she will be guiding us how to start a work, how to be a certified coach, where you can invest your money and be a businesswoman. So now that we have come to an end of our interview, I would like to give you a warm thanks to Preeti for being a part of our show. We extremely enjoyed this session and look forward for more. So it's a pleasure being with you. Thank you, Preeti ma'am, for your time. Hope you enjoyed this session.
Yes, I think it was long due, Purva. So thank you so much for having me. I think you're doing a fantastic job with this platform, and I love to see all your sessions. I follow you on your live talks as well. So all the very best. More power to you. May you always keep
Thank you.
inspiring all the women and the parents and the teachers. And God bless you for all the good work you're doing.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your kind words. I really appreciate it. Thank you, ma'am. So I'm ending
Thank
this
you.
session.
Thank you.